Chickies, thank you for joining me for this video. We are going to be decorating today for the Christmas season, and the theme is going to be everything pink and sweet. We are incorporating a lot of the Christmas decor from the previous years, but we're switching things up, changing it around, and just finding more creative ways to use what we have. Of course, I did incorporate little things here and there, but I didn't want to go super crazy this year. In case you're new here, I'm Christine, and this channel is dedicated to all things beauty, vlogs. We have a little bit of lifestyle, fashion hauls. If that's something that interests you, would really appreciate it if you would please subscribe and be a part of the Chickie crew. Also, if you guys enjoy this video, please make sure you give it a like. Let's first start with the dining room table, and just a heads up, I already pre-planned everything, laid down the base, and now it's just the decorating part that we're going to do together. So a lot of these items we have had for a couple of years now, like these chicks, they're actually from Target. This tea set is also from Target. It was actually a kid's toy, but this is where we're going to have our tea time together. So I thought it was only appropriate that we at least have a tea set here. Many of these items are from Hobby Lobby, 99 cents only store, Walmart, and also some items just from around the house that I thought would look pretty as a tablescape. This tea light candle holder is new, which is from TJ Maxx, called a capiz, which is from the Philippines. It's a handcrafted item, which I thought was so pretty because it's pink. I've never seen one that's pink. Sprinkling these foam balls from Dollar Tree for added texture, and then the centerpiece is this lighted cake house. Moving over to the lighted pink mini Christmas tree, which is from Big Lots. Did get this a couple years ago. I already added the pink snow fluff in between just so that it looks a lot fuller. It's really simple to dye your snow fluff pink with Rit dye. So for the base, placed a brick, some styrofoam, adding 2 pillow shams on both sides just so that the basket doesn't move. Place the base of the tree in there, and it does work, but I would just do this with caution. Added security, I'm actually stuffing the basket with this shawl, kind of making it look like a little scarf, which I think looks really cute, but it needed something, so I just added a pink Hello Kitty bow. Now on to decorating. Many of these items are from Hobby Lobby. These gingerbreads, we DIY'd them last year, painted them pink and blue. The gingerbread ornaments are from Walmart, so it's really easy to DIY them. It was only appropriate we added the Hello Kitty gingerbread ornament, which is the new addition this year. She is so cute. I'm going to link her down below. But we also needed a tree topper, and this one is from Walmart, but it still needed a little something. So I took one of the Hello Kitty ornaments that we've had for a couple years. It's just her face. Put the star in front of her so it kind of looks like, you know, she's peeking through, and it works as a tree topper. Remember I mentioned tea time? Well, this is the new teapot this year, which is from Home Goods, the pink teacup from Amazon a couple years ago, adding a gingerbread decoration from the at-home store. Now that we finished the dining room area, let's move over to the living room. Lighted angel tree is from Big Lots. I got this a couple years ago, but my son Darren just added his beret since he was airborne, so angel airborne kind of goes together. Placing the Santa, Hello Kitty snow globe, and the bunny with a fur coat on top. And just adding a few Christmas trees to spruce up some pictures. Now onto the main Christmas tree, which is from Walmart. We're just going to add all of the ornaments that we've had for the past couple of years, mainly from Walmart, Hobby Lobby, 99 cents only stores, and also some random ones that either been given to us or have just picked up along the way. And of course we needed to add a Six Flags Magic Mountain ornament. This is actually the only ornament I picked up this year for the main Christmas tree, which is from Walmart. To add more texture to the tree, I'm using some wired ribbon, and I cut them into smaller pieces, also the ends. I'm basically just tucking it into the snow fluff. I'm not sure if I mentioned that, but I did add some snow fluff in between the branches just so that it looks a lot fuller. Bending the ribbon just so that it makes a little wave. Kind of looks like the ribbon is cascading down the Christmas tree. Now for the tree skirt, we needed to add something because it just looked pretty bare. Adding pink Christmas card boxes as well as a bag. It does work pretty well, at least it's not bare anymore. Now for the coffee table, I just placed a bunch of the pink snow fluff on top just so that it looks like snow. These candle holders, which are from Bath & Body Works, to make this area a little village with all of the gingerbread houses that I've collected over the past couple of years from QVC, Amazon, as well as Kohl's. Now you know we had to add Hello Kitty, and this is a sweet shop set from Five Below. It's Legos. Can you believe that? My son Darren put it together because I would not have the patience to put this thing together. We also added the ice cream truck, which is also from Five Below. Again, it's a Lego set which he put together for me, so thank you Darren for doing that. Adding some trees as well as these tree cones from the 99¢ only store, adding these LED tea lights underneath the snow so it looks like it's glowing, which I think will look very pretty at night. On the border of the village, placing battery operated string lights. After hanging up the stockings by the fireplace, it just looked a little bit bare. So decided to head over to the 99¢ only store and picked up 2 white garlands. Each were 99¢, as well as a set of mini string lights, which was $2.49 I believe. Intertwined both of the white garlands together so it's a little bit thicker, and then wrapped the white mini string lights around it. The snowflakes on the garland actually have an iridescent pink hue to it, so it matches the decoration perfectly. Taking these candy ornaments, which I've had for years, placing it on the light so it gives it a little something extra. It goes with the whole theme of pink and white. Let's scent our space with the Aroma Retail Wax Warmer. The scent we're using today is Flamingo's White Cashmere. If you've ever been to the Flamingo Resort Hotel in Las Vegas, this is what it smells like, and it smells incredible. Here's what the living room and dining room looks like with all the lights on. I'm also going to share with you what it looks like when all the lights are turned off, and that is probably my favorite part because it looks very cozy, very inviting, and festive. Hope you enjoyed decorating with me for the holiday season. Let me know what you guys thought of the decorations, the setup this year. Don't forget that I will be participating in Vlogmas, but here we call it Chickmas, where I will be vlogging and uploading every single day through Christmas Day, as well as incorporating beauty and lifestyle content in between, so it's going to be a very busy month. Thank you so much for joining me for today's video. Happy holidays, and I will see you in the next video.